guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriella Catano from CATANO GLAM and this is CATANO GLAM English. Today I've created a super easy, sultry, smoky eye look that you guys can rock throughout whatever season for any event. So if you're interested, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and keep on watching. If you want to watch this video in Spanish, then go ahead and subscribe to my other channel, CATANO GLAM. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to start off with the brows, and I'm going to be taking these two brow pencils. The first brow pencil that I'm going to use, it is from $1 Billion Brows, and this is the Universal Eye Pencil. And it's honestly a pretty dark brown, so I'm not going to go too crazy with it. I'm probably just going to fill in the outer portion of my brows. And it's a very, very creamy brow product, so you want to make sure that you have a light hand with it. Guys, what the hell? So weird. Okay, I definitely don't like this product, but we're just gonna roll with it. Maybe once I clean it up, it'll look better. I feel like it's a little too creamy for me. I definitely have to fix around the brows. So the second pencil I'm gonna take is from Kiss New York, and it's just a light brown. And I'm gonna focus this in the inner portion of the brow. And then I take the spoolie side and I brush upwards. Alright, so we definitely have some cleaning up to do, and I'm going to take this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Coverage Concealing and Contour Kit in the shade 220. And I'm going to be taking one of the lighter shades and an Alamar Cosmetics eye brush to basically clean up around the eyebrows. And this step is always essential whether or not you fill them in with a pencil or with a powder, or honestly with anything. Even if you just do like a quick brow gel, I think that this really helps clean up the area around the brow and make your brow shape a lot more precise and just overall prettier. So immediately you can see that the shape of my brows just got way better really quickly with that quick little step. Obviously they still look pretty dramatic because I haven't put any other product on my face, so we're just gonna continue with the eyes. And for the eyes, I'm actually gonna go ahead and prep them with this exact same concealer. And I take a beauty blender just to blend it all out. I'm going to take my Milk Blur and Set Powder in the shade Translucent just to set that concealer a little bit. For today's look, I do want to create a very simple and subtle smoky eye, and I'm going to go in with this Eye Resistible eyeshadow stick from Ardell, and it is in the shade I Knew She Did It. And this is a cream eyeshadow, so I'm just going to apply it honestly like that. Not any higher than the crease and not too low. Just kind of like between the lash line and the crease, and you should look a little crazy at about this point. So now I'm going in with a BMX crease brush from Moda Pro. I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this shade, and cream shadows blend out so easily, especially these shadow sticks from Ardell. They definitely don't dry fast, so I think they are awesome, and I'm pretty much going back and forth. I'm not going too high up and I'm not going too low. So once we got that smoked out, I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Color Icon, I was gonna say Color Icon, Color Icon eyeshadow quad, and this is the House of Thorns eyeshadow quad. And I'm gonna take this black. And with an E17 Morphe brush, I'm going to just smoke it out along the lash line and eyelid. So now I'm taking the Moda brush that I used before and just kind of blending this even further. Also, sorry guys, I don't know why this room looks so blue right now. Like, it literally just got so blue on my camera and I don't really understand. So now with the Moda brush, I'm just going to blend that even further. To prep my skin, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. And I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Illuminating Primer. And now I'm going to mix the Morphe Fluidity Foundation in the shade F2.20 with the L'Oreal Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tint in the shade Gold. And I'm applying it with an Ellie Maya brush. I really enjoy this brush a lot. It doesn't have a name, but I don't know why I feel like it's such a great foundation brush. And this foundation is super super full coverage. The only thing about it is that it is very, very matte, so that's why I mix it in with a highlighter, because I did want it to be a little glowier. So just keep that in mind. I'm gonna go in with these cream concealers once again, and I am going to conceal under my eyes. And I wanted to use a cream concealer today because I felt like it was gonna give me pretty good coverage. It was gonna help my skin look a little bit more like skin, considering the fact that the foundation is so matte. Okay, so I went ahead and set my face, and I took the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder just to set under my eyes. And I also used the NYX Professional Makeup Stay Matte Not Flat in the shade Soft Beige. For bronzer, I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer and my Morphe M143. And now I'm taking the e.l.f. blush palette in light, and I'm going to use this blush color right here with an Aesthetica H22 brush. I'm taking that powder brush right now, and I'm just kind of tapping it down onto where I put the blush because it was a little too bright. And now I'm going to apply my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Guilty Glow highlighter from Veramona in the shade Forbidden. This is such a beautiful golden highlight. I feel like no one talks about it, but it is so pretty. Now I'm going to take the Whirl lip liner from MAC, and I'm just going to line my lips with it. And I'm going to take Kinda Sexy, which is such a beautiful matte peachy shade. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Skinny Dip right at the center of my lips. And now I'm taking the KKW Beauty and Makeup by Mario lip gloss. And off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and I will be right back. All right, guys, there you have it, my super quick and easy smoky eye, which is perfect for any night out. It's not too dramatic, but for my girls that do wanna go a little bit more glam, feel free to add some lashes to this and maybe even some bottom liner, and you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post. And I will see you guys in my next video.